ICSE Mathematics Class 10, Chapter 3, Exercise 3C. Question 6. Gopal has some rupees 100 shares of company A paying 10% dividend. He sells a certain number of these shares at a discount of 20% and invests the proceeds in 100 shares of rupees 60 of company B, paying dividend 20% if his income from the shares sold increases by rupees 18,000. Find the number of shares sold by Gopal. Answer 6. Face value of one share of a company A equal to rupees 100. Let Gopal sold X shares at a discount of 20% at the rate of rupees 80 per share. Sale proceeds is equal to rupees X into 80 is equal to rupees 80X. Let he sold N shares out of X shares at the rate of 60 per share equal to N into rupees 60 per share is equal to 60N. Face value of X shares is equal to X into 100 rupees 100 per share is equal to rupees 100X. Income from shares sold equal 10% of sold shares is equal, that is face value. Sold shares face value is equal to 10 by 100 of rupees 100X is equal to rupees 10X. The number of shares sold by him N is equal to investment of market value of one share equal to 80X by 60 is equal to 4 by 3X shares of Gopal of company B. Face value of 4 by 3X shares of company B equal to 4 by 3X shares into face value of one share 4 by 3X into 100 equal to rupees 400 by 3X. Income from dividend equal to 20% of the face value is equal to 20 by 100 into 400 by 3X equal to rupees 80X by 3. According to question, 80X by 3 minus 10X is equal to 18,000. 80X minus 30X equal to by 3 is equal to 18,000. 50X by 3 is equal to 18,000 and 50X equal to 80,000. 18,000 into 3 X बराबर 18,000 X equal to 18,000 into 3 by 50 equal to rupees equal to X is equal to 1080. Number of shares sold by Gopal equal to 1080 shares. That is value of N. That's all.